Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add dual clock widget on home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the empty space on the screen, then tap on widgets. From here, just go to clock, and from here just select any dual clock widget which you like. Then tap on add. Now from here you can resize the widget as you like. Now to change the region of the dual clock, just tap and hold on the dual clock, then go to settings. From here, just tap on first city and select the city which you want. Now once you select the city, just tap on change. After that, just tap on second city and select the second city which you want. Then tap on change and select save. And this is how you can add dual clock widget on home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.